In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept online payments with Stripe. For anyone looking to streamline their payment processes, Stripe provides a versatile platform that supports a wide variety of payment methods. Our goal today is to walk through some foundational steps to get you set up to accept payments smoothly. Let's dive in. Start by accessing your Stripe dashboard. This is the central hub where you'll manage all your payment features and settings. So once you're in your dashboard, direct your attention to the far left-hand menu. You'll want to click on Settings. Here, you'll see a variety of options related to different aspects of your product, but for the purposes of today's setup, you'll want to focus on Payments, which can be found under Product Settings. Moving forward, let's head over to Payment Methods. This section is key as it allows you to specify and activate the payment methods you wish to use. Stripe supports a wide array of payment types, catering to both eclectic and standard preferences. Today, we'll walk through setting up ACH Direct Debit, a practical method often chosen for its simplicity and direct nature. Now, within the Payment Methods section, locate ACH Direct Debit, or your preferred method if you're customizing further. Click on it. You'll notice an option to turn it on. By activating this option, you're enabling this specific method for transactions. ACH Direct Debit offers a reliable, bank-based approach to payment processing, allowing direct transactions between bank accounts, which can be advantageous for both recurring and one-time payments. Turning on the payment method is straightforward. Simply click the switch next to ACH Direct Debit to activate it. Once done, this payment method is now live and will appear as an option during the checkout process for your customers. It's important to ensure that any chosen method aligns with the needs and preferences of your customer base for optimal satisfaction and usage. A crucial part of enabling online payments is understanding customer convenience and ensuring ease of use. By offering a variety of options, you cater to different preferences and make transactions more accessible. Remember to always double-check each step after setting up to avoid any configuration errors. To recap, we've accessed the Stripe dashboard, entered the settings, selected payments, picked our preferred method, and successfully turned it on. With these steps completed, you're now prepared to accept online payments using Stripe. Exploring what each payment method offers can further enhance your setup, but this will give you a solid foundation. Thank you for joining me today in this walkthrough. Now that you've equipped your online platform with streamlined payment capabilities, you're set up for greater customer reach and satisfaction. If you have any questions along the way, don't hesitate to explore Stripe's resourceful help center for additional guidance. Tune in next time for more insights and tips.